Yeah, hello everyone. This is Sandhya, HRM non-IT Hyse. Today we are going to discuss JDs on the clients which we are working for this week. So Teleperformance is hiring for Axis Bank. So they are looking for the DO and DRMs, DO Digital Officer and DRM Digital Relationship Manager. Designations of DO and DRM, but the role is agent role. They are looking for the candidates who have done with the graduation. Any graduates are eligible. Only the graduate who have completed the graduation. Uh, so the interview pattern includes AMCAT test. So the candidate who have shortlisted for Axis Bank, they has to undergo the AMCAT test. Either they can take the test on the self or they can take the test on during the interview. While while attending the interview, the candidate must take the AMCAT ID for the interview. And the one more criteria for this interview is the candidate must complete 2 doses of vaccination. Without that, the candidate is not eligible to enter the interview panel. Coming to the package, it is 11,800 in CTC for fresher, 17,000 for experience. And for experience who have more than 2 years, based on the experience and the salary pay slips, they can alter the salary. Candidates need to carry Xerox certificates while going for the interview. All the set of Xerox till they are having, and the pay slips if the candidate is having experience, and experience certificate, and the relieving certificate. As this is the immediate requirement, a relieving certificate is must for the candidate who are attending the interview. And the timings for the job is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. They have cab facility, pick and drop. They also have additional benefits like PF, ESI, and incentives. They has to work Monday to Saturday. There is only 1 week off. Coming to DRM, Digital Relationship Manager, role is agent. For this also graduation is must. For this, a candidate should have the good comm skills in 3 languages, English, Telugu, and Hindi. And for coming to salary for freshers, they're offering 17,000 CTC, and it is 23,000 for experience. Experience, based on the experience and the pay slips, the salary may be beyond that. For this, they are looking for the candidate who have experience in banking, or the candidates who are interested in banking. General insurance candidates are also eligible for this role. And they have 80 positions for DRM and 150 for DO. So for these 2 positions, the only criteria is communication. They'll test only the communication. For DO and DRM, the candidate must be strong in 3 languages, English, Telugu, and Hindi. Our next client is Niva Bupa. So Niva Bupa, it's an health insurance company. It's the oldest company, and they have vacancies for Hyderabad and Bangalore location. They are looking for the health insurance counselors, both freshers and senior health insurance counselors. Any graduate is eligible for this position. And they are looking for the candidate who have experience in insurance industry, and those who are interested in these designations and in these industries. And they have the first priority for the banking and finance candidate, those who have experience or interested. They will check for the strong communication skills, positive attitude, and intrapersonal skills. There is only 1 round of interview, that is telephonic. So telephonic, they will do the screening test. If they have any doubts or concern, then they will ask for the face-to-face interview. Otherwise, they will shortlist the candidates to the telephonic round itself. But the mode is work from office mode. Location is Banjara Hills. They have also vacancies for Bangalore location, and they're also looking for the sales people. And salary is 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum, and for experience it is more than 4.5 based on the previous experience and the pay slips. And our next client is Bcc India. So Bcc India is located in Arena Towers, Special Economic Zone, Uppal. It is an MNC company. They're looking for three designations: sales support and tech support, chat support. And they're also looking for customer care representatives. So they have both voice and non-voice process. And the salary is 3.3 lakhs per annum to 5 lakhs per annum. Any graduate is eligible for this position. It is night shift. It's a 3/3 rotational shifts. They have a pickup and drop facility. So only criteria for these designations and for the company is com skills. So and they are also looking for the candidate good in French language. For them, experience and freshers are eligible. For experience, the salary will be based on the experience and the pay slips. And our next client is Lumixtra. So Lumixtra Lightning Private Limited, they are looking for the marketing executive, both experience and freshers. They're also looking for the digital marketing uh, persons who have experience, and the freshers are also eligible. They're also looking for the female candidate who have interest in sales. But for females, it is inside sales. For males, it is both based on the candidate, how they will clear the interview. Salary is 10K to 12K and above for experience. Candidate should have knowledge in marketing. That is the only criteria they're looking, and com skills. Location, Hyderabad. And our next client is Genpact. So Genpact is looking for the candidates for international chat process, and the salary is max 4 lakhs per annum. And for experience, it is beyond 4 lakhs. Location is Hyderabad, and they should be in Hyderabad when informed. They are looking for the technical sales support, voice, and international chat process. The interview is virtual mode. So only com skills. Com skills should be strong enough for the candidate who have interest on Genpact. The interview process consists of 3 rounds. First is screening, second will be voice assessment, and third will be HR or OPS round based on the candidate. So candidate with excellent communication skills in English is the main. Hindi will be added advantage. For this 0 to 5 years, so those who are freshers and having experience up to 5 years are eligible. And the next client is Hdfc. So Hdfc is looking for on-roll jobs. They're looking for home loans, LAP, mortgage services. So it is completely sales. Only male candidates are eligible. Qualification is any BBM, BBA, or BCom, so like any graduate. If the candidate is having post-graduation, it will be like added advantage, both freshers and experience. They're looking for the candidates who are interested in banking and who have experience in the sales. The salary is 1.6 to 2.2 lakhs per annum. And for experience, it is beyond 2.2 based on the experience. Location, they have multiple vacancies in Hyderabad. Present, they're looking for Hafizpet location. They also have multiple vacancies in Habsiguda. So total overall Hyderabad, they're looking for the candidates. So our next client is MyProp India. So MyProp India, it is in Madhapur, Hyderabad location. They're looking for the candidates who are good in sales and marketing. Salary is 4.8 to 5 lakhs per annum for the freshers, and for experience, it is beyond 5 lakhs based on the experience and sales interest. Qualification, any degree. So especially for marketing, they are looking for the candidate who have done the graduation in marketing or MBA or mathematics or any related or relevant degree for marketing or sales. They're also looking for admin coordinator. So any degree candidate with proficient computer skills or relevant field candidates are eligible. So for admin coordinator, any male or females are eligible. And for marketing, only they're hiring for experienced candidate who have experienced a minimum of 3 years to max 5 years with excellent communication skills and customer service skills. And our next client is Akash. So Akash Byju's is hiring for student support, admission officer, admin officer, account officer, and admission officer male, which is outsourced. Mode is work from office. They'll be having week offs on weekdays, and week off is the working day for them, and the package is 3.6 to 6 lakhs per annum. The candidate should the only criteria they have is the candidate must be good in the regional language. So any graduate can apply, and the candidate who have admission experience in JEE will be added advantage. Present, they are hiring for the location Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Bangalore, and all over Andhra Pradesh. So interested candidates can apply. For more details, you can visit our website, hyseplacements.com. Thank you.